How much does chin augmentation really cost? If you're thinking about enhancing your facial profile, you might be curious about how much chin augmentation costs. This procedure, also called Genioplasty or Mentoplasty, can range widely depending on several factors. In the United States, the typical price falls between about $3,000 and $10,000. The average cost is often around $3,500 to $4,000, but this usually doesn't include additional expenses like anesthesia, operating room fees, or post-operative care. The type of procedure you choose makes a difference. Chin augmentation can be done with implants, which are usually made of silicone or porous polyethylene. These tend to be less invasive and less expensive. Alternatively, some opt for sliding genioplasty, which involves cutting and repositioning the chin bone. This method is more complex and generally costs more. Your surgeon's experience and credentials also influence the price. Board-certified plastic surgeons with extensive training often charge higher fees, but this can be worth it for their expertise and the quality of results. Location matters too. In big cities like New York or Los Angeles, prices can be higher, sometimes reaching $10,000 or more, due to higher living costs and demand. Facility and anesthesia fees add to the total cost. Surgery performed in accredited surgical centers or hospitals, and whether you choose local anesthesia with sedation or general anesthesia, will impact the final price. The type of implant material used can also affect costs, with options like silicone, Medpor, or Gore-Tex each having different price points and characteristics. When you add up all these factors, the total cost includes the surgeon's fee, anesthesia, facility charges, medical tests, preoperative consultations, post-surgery garments, medications, and follow-up visits. Some patients may need revision procedures, which can add to the overall expense. In summary, if you're considering chin augmentation, you should plan to spend between $3,000 and $10,000. Most people find the average cost to be around $3,500 to $7,000, depending on their specific needs and location. Remember, it's essential to prioritize surgeon experience and safety over cost alone to ensure the best results. Keep in mind that most health insurance plans do not cover cosmetic procedures like chin augmentation, but many surgeons offer financing options to help manage the expense. This procedure can significantly improve facial harmony and profile by enhancing chin projection and jawline definition. Always consult with a qualified, board-certified plastic surgeon to discuss all costs, risks, and expectations before moving forward.